Ciao, this is Claudia, your Italian teacher from Spangle Italian Learn Italian. And in this video, in this lesson, we are going to do a revision and a little quiz of the Italian article the in both the masculine and the feminine. If you want to first go through the explanation of how you translate them, you can find the links up here. If you just have to click on the links I'm pointing at, or I'm going to link them also in the description box below the video, so you can just click on that, watch those videos, learn how you translate the into Italian in the masculine and in the feminine, and then come back here and we can do this exercise together. Ok, sei pronto? Sei pronta? Bene. So I have given you a list of 12 words that are all in the singular. They are both feminine and masculine words. They're all singular, although I'll explain how some of them don't actually change for the plural. So the first thing we're going to do is you have to tell me what the article is, the singular article is for each of the words. Okay? So, numero uno, cornetto. Cornetto. It finishes in o, so it is very likely it will be a masculine word. And it means croissant. So masculine, finishing in o, nothing weird about the beginning, it's a normal consonant and vowel, so it will be il cornetto. Numero due, number two, amarena, amarena. Amarena is black cherry. It's one of my favorite gelato flavors. So, a ends in a, starts with a, so it starts with a vowel. So this means that it will be a L apostrophe, l'amarena, l'amarena. Remember, you have to pronounce all the vowels. A l'amarena. Bene. So, numero tre. Zaino, zaino. So, ends in O, so it's going to very likely be a masculine word. But what happens here? It starts with a Z. So the Z makes the double sound, double consonant, dz, dz. So words that start with a double consonant sound, z, masculine words, what is it? Bene, lo zaino, lo zaino. Numero 4, città, città. Zaino, by the way, means rucksack. Città, city, city. Ends in an a, so it's very likely going to be feminine. So it doesn't start with a vowel, so we just do la. Bene. Then we have, maybe you're not used to seeing it this way, spaghetto, spaghetto. It's one strand, one spaghetti. But spaghetto, something interesting about this word is that spaghetto means string. So little string, spaghetto, because spago means string. Anyway, ends in o, so it's a masculine word. But what happens here? Sp. Again, a double consonant. So it would be lo spaghetto. Okay. Numero 6, the next one is bicchiere. Bicchiere. That means a glass or a cup. Because nouns, masculine or feminine nouns, can both end in "e". So this is part of what regular nouns, and they can, masculine can end in "o" or in "e", and feminine can end in "a" or in "e", regular ones. I've given you a little help here, which is normally the way you would look. You would try to find if a noun is masculine or feminine. You would look for other words that are around it, like, for example, an adjective. This adjective means clean. So, clean glass. So you would look at the ending of the adjectives. Some adjectives also would also end in they can also end in an "e". So, for example, you say grande. Grande means big, it ends in an "e". So in that case, you would look for the article. So this is pulito, which is masculine singular. So even though this ends in "e", and you could think this is a feminine plural, but you have the adjective that ends in "o". So this would be il bicchiere. Bene, il bicchiere pulito, the clean glass or the clean cup. Remember to pronounce all the A's. Bicchiere, bicchiere. Okay, next, numero 7. You have, it ends in an O, so it's very likely it's masculine, and starts with a vowel. So you would just do, what is it? L apostrophe. L'uomo. Again, pronounce everything. L'uomo. Significa the man. Okay. Next one. Ends in A. It has nothing particular. It doesn't have, it starts with a vowel. So, la finestra. La finestra. La finestra significa the window. Okay, next one. This one is, I will give you an adjective for this. Caldo. So again, you don't know if caffè is a very important word if you're in Italy. You don't know if caffè is la caffè, il caffè, lo caffè, but it starts with a CA, so it doesn't start with a double consonant sound, and you have the adjective, which means caldo, hot, masculine singular, and caffè is masculine singular, so you say il caffè. Il caffè. Bene. This one is straightforward. O. L-I, libro, il libro, the book. Il libro. Il libro. Okay, this one is a bit tricky. Do you remember why it's tricky? Okay, it ends in O, so you might think that this is a masculine noun, like because it ends in O. It doesn't start with anything weird like sk or sp or z, and it looks like a completely normal word, but this is an abbreviated word. Foto is the abbreviation of fotografia. So fotografia ends in an A. That means that photo is feminine. La photo. Okay? And again, I'm giving you that ends in e, that you would have no way of knowing if it's masculine or feminine because it ends in e. So I've given you an adjective. Stazione ferroviaria. Ferroviaria. This means train station. Ferroviaria ends in an a, so it would be la stazione ferroviaria. Bene. So now this was part 1 of the exercise. How did you get on with it? Did you manage to work out all the articles? Now what I want you to do is we're going to do the plurals of these. So we're going to erase all the singular articles, and we are going to put them all in the plural, so you get even more practice. Then, so let's start. We will have to erase also the endings of the words. Perfetto. So, o becomes i. So, cornetti and il becomes i cornetti. Bene. So here we had amarena, the a becomes e, and because this had an L apostrophe, it doesn't mean it just, the plural just goes to le. It's a normal le amarene. Okay, zaino, o becomes e, but the z, so the plural is li zaini. Bene. And as I was saying, this one actually doesn't change, because if a noun ends with an accent on a vowel, it doesn't change for the plural. So this would be la città or le città. Okay, here you have this one, you know, spaghetti, and sp. So you have lo spaghetto, and lo becomes li spaghetti. Okay, here the e becomes an i, and puliti also has to change. Remember that everything has to change. And il bicchiere just becomes I bicchieri. Nothing fancy. The next one is a bit fancy though. Man. Oh, this changes quite a bit. This doesn't just become uomi. This becomes uomi, ni. But this is an exception. This is a weird word. So, but it's useful that you learn it from the beginning. So L apostrophe, l'uomo, gli uomini. Bene. Finestra, the a becomes e, and la becomes le finestre. Okay, again, caffè. So the caldo becomes caldi, and it's the same as this. The last syllable has an accent on the vowel, so it's the exact same word. I caffè. I caffè. I caffè caldi. Numero 10, number 10. O becomes I. And il becomes I. I libri, the books. And again, this doesn't change because it is an abbreviated word. So you would have to change the ending if you were saying fotografia. But if you just say foto, it stays as foto. So we said this was feminine, so it was la. It becomes le. Le foto. And the final one, we have stazione. It doesn't matter. It doesn't stay. It's a feminine word, but it doesn't mean that because it's feminine, it will change. It will stay as because is the plural feminine. Always masculine and feminine goes to I. So stazioni. And this is a bit of a tricky one, and there's going to be another video talking about gender, because this becomes I, but this ferroviaria becomes okay? But what we're most interested in now is the article. So la becomes le. Tutto qui. That's it. Okay, how did you get on with that? I hope you enjoyed it. If you are enjoying these videos, give them a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you can get the notifications every time I post a new video. So ci vediamo alla prossima, and I hope you keep studying and keep revising your Italian, and ci vediamo alla prossima. Ciao!